What if I told you there are only 3 exercises you need to start losing weight? Yeah, you heard me right. Forget those crazy complicated routines that leave you feeling overwhelmed and defeated. Today, we're cutting through all the noise and giving you the ultimate shortcut to kickstart your fitness journey. I'm your guide, your hype man, and we're about to unlock the simplest, most effective way for beginners to start seeing those numbers on the scale drop. Are you ready to ditch the confusion and finally get results? Let's dive in. Exercise number 1, the mighty squat. Listen up, squad. The squat is your secret weapon for torching calories and building those lower body muscles. Your legs and glutes are huge calorie burners. Feet shoulder width apart, chest up, core engaged. Imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as low as you comfortably can while maintaining good form. Keep your weight in your heels and your back straight. Then, power back up. Form is key here, people. Don't rush it. Start slow. Focus on the movement. If you have trouble, try squatting to a chair to get the feel for the depth. We're aiming for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Feel that burn? That's the magic happening. Exercise number 2, the amazing push-up. Okay. I know some of you just groaned, but hear me out. Push-ups are incredible for your upper body, chest, shoulders, triceps, and they build serious strength. Beginners, we're starting on our knees. Hands shoulder width apart, body in a straight line from your head to your knees. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your elbows tucked in slightly. Then, push back up strong. If you can do a few proper push-ups on your toes, go for it. Don't be discouraged if you can only do a few on your knees. Every push-up counts. Aim for 3 sets of as many good form reps as possible. AMRAP. Challenge yourself, but don't sacrifice that form. Exercise number 3, the powerful lunge. Last but definitely not least, we've got the lunge. This bad boy works your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even helps with balance and coordination. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Your front knee should be directly over your ankle, and your back knee should hover just above the ground. Push off with your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. Take your time with these. Focus on controlled movements. If you're wobbly, try holding onto a chair or wall for support initially. We're aiming for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions per leg. Feel that burn in your legs and glutes? You're crushing it. Boom! There you have it, Fit Fam. The only 3 exercises you need to start your weight loss journey as a beginner: squats, push-ups, and lunges. Simple, effective, and you can do them almost anywhere. Now, how do you put this all together? Here's a super simple plan. Perform these 3 exercises as a circuit. Do 1 set of each exercise, then take a short break, maybe 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat the circuit 2 to 3 times. Aim to do this routine 2 to 3 times per week on non-consecutive days to allow your body to recover. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect overnight miracles, but stick with this. Focus on eating in a slight calorie deficit. We can talk more about that in future videos, and I promise you'll start seeing and feeling a difference. This isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. Every rep you do is a step closer to your goals. You are stronger than you think, and you absolutely can do this. So, are you ready to give this a try? Let me know in the comments below what your biggest fitness goals are. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It helps this video reach more amazing beginners just like you. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense, beginner-friendly fitness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a workout. Thanks for sweating with me today, Fit Fam. I'm so proud of you for taking this first step. Keep crushing it, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome.